Hey everyone, how's it going? Tom here from Motown Models. I might be wondering to yourself, wait, what the heck is this? This was the Spazman13579 channel who brought you great content like rail fanning at Bree, Ohio during Railthon, and this first video I ever made with no audio in it whatsoever. Well, those days are over. This is kind of like a evolution, I guess you could say, of this channel. So back in the day, my model train stuff was just my hobby. And it's still my hobby, frankly. I've been doing it almost my whole life now, and I'm 23 now. It started when I was like 5 or 6 years old. But it's gotten to a point now where my hobby has been turning into more of a business venture, I guess you could say, kind of thing. And that's where Motown Models comes from. I started a few years ago, maybe 2016, doing work for clients, things like weathering, custom painting, DCC and sound installs, and it's gotten to a point now where it's actually a pretty big deal. I still have a day job, I still do my normal engineering career, but now my free time is taken up by all of this model train stuff, and it's pretty cool. It's really exciting, and I am doing my hobby to make some income now, which I think is pretty awesome. So this channel, I've decided now, is kind of going away from posting one video per year, maybe every 2 years if you're lucky, and we're going back towards more regular content. So what I'm aiming for, don't hold me to this, but I'm going to try to hold myself to it, is one video every Monday. And I know it's not a lot of videos, a lot of content, but the content I do put out is going to be some high quality stuff. I don't want it to be a 2-minute how to wash your paintbrush or something like that. It's going to be a little bit more involved, mostly pertaining to projects I have on the bench. Like right now I'm working on a pair of RS3s. It's a pretty cool project, fully custom painted DCC. That kind of thing is what I want to show off. And some techniques that I have, things that I do personally, just knowledge that I can share with you guys. I was thinking about making this a whole second channel, Motown Models, but I decided I already have 3,000 people subscribed, maybe not watching this channel, but I know you guys are there. So I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you guys what I've been working on, what I'm doing, what I'm up to, because I've been staying pretty busy with this stuff. I've done probably close to 200 DCC sound installs now. I'm a ESU lock sound dealer. I do certified installs for them, do a whole lot of custom painting and weathering. If you go to motownmodels.com, link in the description by the way, you can see a lot of custom work on there. It's probably about 10% of what I've done, I would say. I really need to update the website and put a lot more content on there. So the goal with this channel is to just continue sharing the knowledge with you guys in a little bit more professional of a manner. Back in the day, I'd just hold the camera and be like, hey guys, Spazman13579 here. We're working on this RS3 today, doing a custom paint job, and yeah. Instead, it'll be more professional videos and things that are actually tolerable to watch, because back in the day, I could be cringy at times. I think we could probably all say that we were cringy at times. So yeah, I'm rambling at this point, but welcome to Motown Models. I hope you guys are as excited as I am, because I'm pretty pumped about all this. As I said, expect videos coming out every Monday. I'm going to really try for it. I am a relatively busy person, but that's no excuse for putting out some decent quality content. So I hope you guys stick around. Hello again to all the old viewers. Hope you're still around, and hope you guys enjoy.